Yeah. On my mama, I got him. Max. SKJ. Let's go. Watch me begin with a mind that's darker than crow feathers. Calling out the max in this era, you pricks should know better. Seeing me as one of the lessons, that was your first error. Claiming you go hard like a diamond when you don't know pressure. Cole, tell me what about him is so special. Yes, I'm judgmental, I judgmental. Guess I'm just a first place dummy that's evidental. Taking flights from Texas to Atlanta, that's so eventful. I just sent a text, I'm in Atlanta, that's so eventful. Can't decide what tool to use to kill him, the pen or the pencil. Either way, I'm piling up the bodies on this instrumental. It's not accidental, I'm the one that deceased you. Created a lyrical cannibalistic monster that's gonna eat you. I've been trying to stay in my lane, but I've been working so long that I forgot how to play. So I'ma turn the power on and I'ma start up the game. Yeah, I'm talking out of my head, I got telepathy, so I hear what you thinking, I just don't let it get to me. I'm cooking up the best and never follow the recipe. You do what you want, but you gon' put some respect on me. Pull up with these bars, I got 8 sets. When they hit the lines, they hang them on it and play deaf. I've been here from vinyls and your tape decks. Turn me to the one like I've been in the Matrix, cause I get so high that it requires a spaceship. So twisted I could shapeshift, not twisted up in hate shit. But if you want that work, I could put you on that late shift. I done ate the crumbs, now I'm coming for the cake, bitch. Simple man, but I was never basic. Waiting on my secret fans to hate this. Come on, not your snake pit, like really it's okay. Pricks and give me more to spit. I'm salivating when I'm waiting, cause I could full of lake, prick.